Hey everybody, today is Collaboration Day. I am joining many other amazing crafters for the Gingerbread Fever collaboration. Hosting is Jackie from Crafting Amini's World and Sarah from Jujubee DIY. Thank you ladies so much for hosting this. This was a lot of fun and I was very excited to be a part of it. I hope you all enjoy the DIYs. Now this little sign was clearanced at Dollar General. I got it for, I don't know, 50, no, it was less than 50 cents. I can't remember. But we were going to paint it with this linen white chalk paint. There we go. And I've got this cafe latte, I think you call it, from Amazon. And a stencil from Amazon. I thought that color was actually really good. I felt it looked really nice for gingerbread. I have seen people use nutmeg as well. I will link my paint and my stencils in the description box below in case you guys want to check them out. Because I actually got a bunch of stencils for I thought it was a really great deal. So I am just putting some paint on my paintbrush, dabbing some off, and then gently dabbing the entire stencil. These are also little, oh my god, aren't they adorable? Little gingerbread cutouts you can get on Amazon. I'll link those as well. And we are going to glue them little babies to the back of our sign. Now I'm putting painter's tape right there. I lined them up where I wanted them, putting painter's tape to hold them down. I just felt like this would make life easier. Lifting my sign, I'm going to put some glue on them and then just place my sign back on top. And this is Barely Art Glue I got from mindlesscrafting.com. You should definitely check that link out. Bill and Tracy are amazing and they ship super fast. They have tons of goodies. That's mindlesscrafting.com. I will link that in the description box as well for you guys. See? That made my life so much easier. Now we're going to take some tower tumbling blocks, 4 of them, and just glue those together. And those are going to make like a stand for the back of our sign. And don't worry about the holes in the sign. We're going to cover that up. You'll see. I usually use wood glue, but for the videos, I use hot glue to make it faster. Now, I'm going to take a Sharpie and I'm going to color in those bows. And you will see why, because I'm going to put my own bows on there. And I really didn't want that red popping out, you know what I mean? I'm using black and white bows, so you'll see what I'm saying. I got these off of Amazon, so I will also link those. Whatever I can link, I will for you guys. See how they're all black now, and then we're going to put this on. And then you ain't got that red, kapow right in your face. This is going to blend in much better. These little guys are so cute. Now we're going to take some red puffy paint and do their mouths, and white puffy paint, and we're going to outline their ice cream, Lord help, icing. It's going to make them pop out more, give it like a 3D effect. This is a super easy craft. But I hope you guys still enjoy it. If you are new, welcome. And if you are not, thank you so much for the continued support. If you are new, I hope you consider subscribing and sticking around for more DIYs. Look how cute, guys. Oh my gosh. Almost done. Now we're going to take our Barely Art glue. And these are little clay candy canes I got off Amazon. We're going to put some of that Barely Art glue on there. I thought that was easier than trying to fight with hot glue. And the Barely Art sticks very well. And our little gingerbread peoples are going to hold those. And then these round peppermints from Amazon, we're going to cover up those holes. Too easy. I think this is going to be super cute in our kitchen this Christmas. And there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. I got 2 more coming. And don't forget, also the link to the playlist for all the other crafters videos will be in my description box below. So make sure to check those out because they're going to have some great ideas. Now, this is one of those wax warmers. I got it on sale 90% off Dollar General. I think it was last week for 80 cents. And we're going to do something completely out of the box different. I'm taking white chalk paint and I'm just going to dab over the entire piece. These are little charm gingerbread men I got off Amazon. So we're going to do that, I think it's coffee latte. I don't remember. I can't see it very good. Excuse me. And now we are going to go over our warmer to make it look like one big gingerbread cookie. I feel like this one's pretty easy too. Now we're going to cut off the cord. If I had spent a lot of money on this, I would not have done it. But for 80 cents, I didn't mind at all. I'm taking all the cord out and the insides out because I want fairy lights in mine. See, we're just taking the top of that off the charm. You know, kind of like when you hook it to the necklace. As you can see, I did the top the same, white chalk paint, and then my coffee latte. I'm probably messing up the name, but it'll be in the description box below. I'm taking super glue, and I'm placing my gingerbread people all over it. Now, I couldn't find smaller fairy lights. I might have to order some off Amazon, but these are ones I got from Dollar General. They look like little balls, and we're going to use those. Now we're taking some puffy white paint and making icing around the rim. We're taking one of those cutout gingerbread girls, and she's going to chill in the top. And we're going to make her an icing hot tub bath. I told y'all, this is like really out of the norm. Giving her a cute little bow. We're going to also outline her to make her more 3D. As you can see, I did put puffy paint on the lid for icing. Taking a piece of cotton, I cut it in a circle to fit in there, and we're going to lay it on top of our little gingerbread girl. She's about to be living her best life in her little icing hot tub. Now we're taking some puffy paint and white, I think it was puffy paint and white paint, and just mixing that up. And then we're going to pour in there like it's her icing bath. I just make sure I get it all filled in. Can't see any spots. Now we're taking some candy canes. We got those in there. Putting a little bit of glitter in there. And now she is warm and cozy in her little icing bath. Hot tub, whatever you want to call it. Just something different. I like doing different things. So it's definitely a unique piece, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. You'll have to let me know in comments what you thought. Now, DIY number 3. This is a sign from Dollar Tree. These little mugs are so cute, and you can find them at Walmart where the mugs are. They're 96 cents each. I didn't think that was too bad. I did take that blush pink and I painted the sign. That's what I did with that. Now we're going to kind of build a wall to the back of our sign. You know, like a brick wall. And I was going to leave it like this, like make it brick looking, but I just changed my mind and did add scrapbooking paper, but you'll see. So now we're going to glue that piece on there. Now, I didn't take that home and stuff off. All I did was flip my sign over. Instead of messing with all that, I left it on. Now, we're adding the next piece. Like I said, we're building a wall, and I'm offsetting my lines because I thought I wanted a brick wall. You'll see right here, see? But in the end, I changed. See, here we go. Here's my scrapbooking paper. This also came from Amazon. It was like a gingerbread paper pack. So I'm taking purple disappearing glue, and I'm going to lay my scrapbooking paper on there. Make sure it's good and down, and then cut off the excess. Now I'm taking some hot glue and putting it in my little mug. Y'all, these are so cute. I'm going to stuff it with cotton. I just cut out another little circle to fit in top. Excuse me, y'all. Adding a peppermint with some hot glue. And then we're going to take puffy paint and go over the top of that. This helps you save paint. You know what I mean? Instead of filling the whole mug with something. I just did it this way to save money and stuff like that. So now that they're all filled with their peppermints, we're adding some, another darn fly. Are y'all dealing with bad flies this summer? Some glitter, green glitter, and then red glitter. Now we're going in with the some red chalk paint, and I'm just going to make some polka dots. Too easy. Just making some random polka dots. Now we're going to stick those on each little ledge of the wall. See, there's one, and then we're going to put one on the next ledge, and so forth. So we're going to go all the way down. Now we're going to take this little gingerbread sticker, which came in that paper pack, put it on some scrapbooking paper because we want to stiffen him up so he'll stand well. We're going to have 3. I'm taking 3 of the stickers, see? And we're going to put hot glue on their little tootsies and stick them up there. But don't worry, we're going to add some bows so you won't see that glue. So these little dudes are going to stand up there on top of the wall. Now we're adding some more of those bows for a little bit more embellishment. Yep, I burnt my little patty right there, y'all. Sure did. See, we added our little mugs and some lights. And I think this would be so cute in a kitchen too. I did decide to keep my coffee mugs just how they were, except for adding the other stuff. I truly hope you guys enjoyed these crafts. I hope you subscribe. Please don't forget to check the playlist below. Thank you so much for being here, y'all. Have a great day.